Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Noms nachos, easy method. Start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees F and arranging chips on a baking sheet in a single even layer. Layer cheese and protein next, keeping distribution even so every bite has flavor. Save delicate toppings like avocado and sour cream for after baking. This approach keeps nachos crispy and ensures balanced flavors in each crunchy, melty bite. To build better nachos, alternate chips, cheese, and protein in thin layers to avoid sogginess and promote even melting. Scatter cheese between chips rather than only on top so lower layers get gooey too. Add pockets of heat with jalapeno slices and tiny onion piles to create bursts of flavor while keeping most chips mild. Finish with a light sprinkle of salt and a quick bake for uniform crispness and melt. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation. I recently picked up The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that reshaped how I think about money and long-term decisions, and it pairs surprisingly well with a relaxed nacho night. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab the book if you want a thoughtful read, and now let's get back to the video. Bake your assembled nachos for about 5 to 8 minutes, watching for bubbling cheese and toasted chip edges. Remove them promptly to prevent burning and add cold garnishes like cilantro, diced tomato, slices of avocado, and a squeeze of lime juice for brightness. Offer dips such as salsa, guacamole, or sour cream on the side to prevent sogginess. Enjoy nachos immediately so the contrast of crispy chips and melted cheese stays perfect for every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.